In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Shopify for dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without keeping inventory, making it one of the easiest ways to start an e-commerce business. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify website. Log in to your Shopify account or create a new store if you haven't already done so. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store from the left side menu and choose a theme for your website. Pick a design that matches your brand and customize it by adjusting colors, fonts, banners, and layouts. Next, head over to the Products section and click Add Product if you want to manually add items to your store. However, for dropshipping, most people use supplier apps that automatically import products into Shopify. To do this, go to the Shopify App Store and search for dropshipping apps like DSers, Spocket, or Zendrop. Choose the app you want to use and click Install. After installation, follow the setup instructions to connect the app to your Shopify store. Now browse products from suppliers directly inside the app and import the items you want to sell into your store. After importing products, review the titles, descriptions, prices, and images to make sure everything looks professional for customers. Next, go to Settings and configure important areas like payments, shipping and delivery, and domains. This ensures customers can place orders smoothly on your website. You should also create important pages like Contact Us, Refund Policy, and Shipping Policy to make your store look trustworthy. Once your store is ready, preview everything carefully and launch your Shopify dropshipping business. Now, you can start promoting your products using TikTok, Instagram, Facebook ads, or other marketing strategies to attract customers and generate sales. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Shopify for dropshipping. Thanks for watching.